Guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for not being around for a while. I've been so sick and I've been trying to get up videos for you guys, so a couple of these videos are gonna have me like stuffy. So I recently went on a BH Cosmetics haul, and one of the palettes that I got was the Festival palette. So I actually bought this around the time of Coachella, and I never got a chance to get a review or a tutorial up because by the time it came, Coachella was sort of over. I ordered it way before, but for some reason it took like 2 to 3 weeks to get it. So unfortunately, you guys, I was not able to get up a festival look for you guys. I did have some time today because I was starting to feel better. I had some time to play around with this palette and create this look for you guys. I did not film the tutorial on this look because I wanted to create it first. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but on my channel I do a lot of neutral looks. I rarely play around with color. I might have 2 or 3 videos in the history of my YouTube channel of me actually, you know, playing around with color. So this is my first time really playing with a colorful palette. I did have the other BH palette that was really colorful like this. I think it was the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I let a friend borrow it and I never got it back. So I was like, let me order this one because it seemed really similar and it had a lot of fun, like, playful colors in it. So I wanted to just do a really quick review on it and show it to you guys. If you would actually like a tutorial on this look, comment down below and I will get one up for you guys. I wasn't sure, you know, because I'm not a color girl, how it was going to turn out, so I didn't want to film it until I kind of figured out what I wanted this look to look like. So let's get started. Let's get into this palette. So this palette, on the back of it, it actually has all of the colors. And one thing I love about this specific palette is that it has names of the shadows. I don't think I remember BH doing that in the past. I know some of the recent palettes they've been doing it, but I don't remember them doing this like back in the day. Because I have been a BH girl since like day one of my YouTube career, and that was like 6-7 years ago. I always bought BH palettes, and I like to stay true to that and continue to buy affordable palettes and stuff that you guys can go out and just get, and it's not crazy expensive. And they've always been true to having like super pigmented, super affordable and good quality palettes. So that's something great, and they've only gotten better over the years, you know. So let me show you guys what this palette looks like. They're so pretty, you guys. Look how tropical and colorful this is, yet it still has some neutrals in there so that you can use them as transition colors and sort of blend them in with some of these bright colors going on. I love that they have names. I'm just going to go through them really quickly. This is Trixie. We have Candy. We have Ultimate, Carnival, Escape, Hippie, Dippy, Wicked, Magical, Boho, Swap, Swag, Flash, Spirit, Solstice, Electric on the end, Trance, Palooza, we have Neon, Euphoria, and we have Hipster, this last color down there. And I think it's like a matte brown. So there are some mattes and some like shimmery colors in here. I have to tell you guys, my favorite colors are the Solstice color. My favorite color is this Solstice color, Dippy, and I would say this lovely, beautiful blue over here that's called Trance. I used all of these colors on my face, on my eyes, I'm sorry, and I also used Euphoria on my lid. It gives it just like a nice, bright, golden yellow look. I was inspired by my nails actually to do a really fun, colorful look for you guys, and I'm just obsessed with all of the colors in this palette. As you can see on my face, you guys, clearly these colors are super pigmented. It does not take a lot. Whenever I work with color, I always start off light and then kind of build the color up. But with this, I didn't even really have to do that. As soon as I put it on, the color was pigmented. With color, whenever I put color on my lid, I like to actually use my fingers because I feel like it just picks up the color better and gives it a better pigment, and I don't know, just a better look in my opinion. So I'm going to swatch some of these super bright and some of the matte colors for you guys so you can get an idea of what these will look like. So I'm going to start off with Hipster. And I'm just going to, oh, and by the way, it does have a mirror too. So I'm going to start off with Escape, not Hipster, I'm sorry. And as you can see, I don't want to give you guys the finger, but let's see if this focuses. It may not, okay. So this is Hipster on this finger. And I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my arm. I don't even know how to do this, you guys. I'm the worst at swatching. So I'm just going to swatch it right here. And as you can see, it's super pigmented. It didn't even take much for me to do. That's just one swipe right there. One swipe and it's really brown. So I'm going to take my index finger, or my pointer finger, I'm sorry. This is super pigmented. And I'm just going to go right under or right over that brown. So you can, oh, I picked up a lot of color. I didn't mean to do that. So this is Hipster right over Escape. And again, super pigmented, super pigmented. So that's Solstice right above it. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that on the back of my arm. That's Solstice right above that. I'll do a close-up somewhere. Like I'll take a picture and put it on here so you guys can see. And then what's another one? Let's do this pink color so you guys can see how pigmented this pink one is. Wow. I'm definitely gonna have to clean up my floor because some of this color that I'm picking up is falling out onto the floor. So this pink, you guys, is insane. That's what I'm wearing on the inner corners, and I have Solstice over it. So the pink is called Dippy and the Solstice is over the pink. It's insane. The blue doesn't seem to be as pigmented as the others, but it is, you just kind of have to build it up. I noticed, because even I had it on my eyes when I put it in the outer corners, I had to build it up, you know? But, I mean, it does have pigment to it. It just doesn't come out as dark as you would think it would until you build it up. So it is a dope color. You just have to, like, really get in there with it. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I love this palette. It's so good. And for the price point, it's even better. I think I bought all this when it was on sale. It was on sale the other day. It had went live again, like they restocked it. And this, I think in the Carly Bible palette, I could be wrong, but if I remember correctly, that was on sale. So I was really happy with the palettes. I also picked up the It's My Ray Ray palette. I love this palette. Let me just wipe this off my arm while I'm talking to you guys. This palette has everything you need. I will create a look with this palette. I will, because I love that you don't even have to really use a bunch of different products. You can get everything you need from this palette. It was really, really smart of her what she did when she created this palette with BH. So first it just comes in this little like sliding cover. And then it is 3 different sections here. So it has a section for shadows, and then we have face here. There's different highlighters up here. So there's Moonlight, Radiant, and French Toast. And then on the bottom are contour colors. There's Chai, Mocha, and Brownie Bite. So I used Brownie Bite on my face today for my contour. And I didn't use any of the highlighters today, but I have used the highlighters and they're very good. Right now I have Trophy Wife on by Rihanna because it goes with the whole pinky gold look that I got going on. But I'm obsessed. The colors are so pigmented in this palette as well. I will swatch a few of them for you guys. I'm not going to do them on my arm again just because. These are also named. So I'm swatching Sunset right now, and it's just a nice orangey reddish brown, like a brick color. And then we have Friday, Friday, which is a purpley auburn color. And then we have, let's do black. You guys know what black looks like. We'll do Tiffany, which kind of reminds me slightly of Solstice from the other palette, but this is more of a gold bronzy tone, where the other one was more of a pinky tone. So that's that's Tiffany. And then we'll do Allison. Allison is really pretty. This will look really good in like the inner corner. So yeah, these are the colors that I swatched. So pigmented. I mean, this palette is awesome. It's really good, it's pigmented, it's affordable, and it's super cute. I like to support my fellow YouTubers. I try and get everybody's collabs and stuff when they come out, like the people that I actually watch. If I don't really watch them, I probably don't know that their collab came out, but if I watch them, I try and pick it up. The next one I'm gonna try and get before it's completely gone is Shayla's palette. And what else? Somebody else came out with another one. I think Shayla's is the only one right now that I've been like totally eyeing, and like I need to get that. Aside from that, I try and support all of like my fellow YouTubers and stuff like that when they have collabs, just because, you know, as women, we gotta lift each other up and support each other in our endeavors and things that we're doing. So yeah, speaking of support, please guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and you know, press the bell for notifications. Okay guys, so I hope that this video was helpful. If any of you are thinking about ordering those palettes from BH Cosmetics, go ahead and do it. I don't get anything, I'm not sponsored. I honestly just bought them myself because I really love BH. And if you've been an OG on my channel, you know that I've been buying BH palettes from like the get-go. So yeah, I want to say thank you so much for you guys. I want to say thank you so much to you guys for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. You have no idea. I am almost at 43,000 subscribers. I was going to do, when I hit 50, I was going to, like 50,000, I was going to do some sort of giveaway. I've been really thinking about it because it's a milestone for me. But again, you guys, I love you all so very much, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me since day one. Y'all are like the real MVPs for real. So my next video will be coming in the next couple of days. I want to go back to doing a filming schedule. I just have to decide what days I want to upload, and I will let you guys know. So thank you guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.